we go, the fast is broken.
Isn't about the good time. 40 overs bowled, 10 overs left. You want that energy injected into you. Players out there. I told you the celebration of eating the food. Waited for all day.
Don't know what's on the menu there, but a traditional iftar, you quite often get some dates. Is that right?
Yeah, you preferably break the iftar with the date. If you can't get dates, the other choice is water. A Prophet, peace be upon him, used to break it with. But then in this day and age, you get that chatpati food, like the spicy food kind of appetizer. That's the starter. You go perform your prayers, you come back, and then you have your main course.
I have to say, some parts of the day are tough, and obviously you go through wanting some energy and some food, but when it gets to this